Just when it seemed like tensions were easing, well, the situation is once again taking a dramatic turn. A fragile ceasefire had created a brief sense of calm, but a new development suggests the pause, it may be temporary. At the center of this shift, none other than Iran, which according to fresh reports is quietly rebuilding its missile capability. In fact, instead of starting from scratch, Tehran is believed to be using older missile components produced even before its last conflict with Israel to rapidly restore and strengthen its arsenal. This particular approach, it indicates not just a slow recovery but a calculated and adaptive strategy. This has raised serious concern in Israel though, where defense officials they are closely monitoring the whole situation. Their fear that is that Iran's quick rebuilding efforts it could signal preparation for another round of conflict, specifically at a time when tensions remain high and trust, what's that? At the very same time, the role of Mr. Trump, it adds another layer of the complexity, right? His proposed naval blockade and continued pressure on Iran, they were meant to limit its capability and force compliance here. But the effectiveness of this strategy, it is now being questioned as Iran appears to be finding new ways to maneuver around these constraints. Well, further escalating the whole situations are the warnings, the fresh warnings from none other than the IRGC, which has questioned the US warships operating near Iranian waters. Well, these warnings signals that the ceasefire it may not reduce underlying tension but merely pause open confrontation. The situation it now reflects a dangerous mix of preparation, suspicion, and strategic positioning on all the sides. Well, the broader implications they are significant. Any renewed conflict in this region it could impact the global stability, particularly through disruptions in key energy routes, such as the Strait of Hormuz, where even minor disturbances they can send shockwaves through the global market and global economy. What is unfolding now suggests that the ceasefire it may have been more about temporary break than a lasting solution. With Iran rebuilding, Israel on alert, and the US maintaining pressure, the whole region appears to be edging back towards uncertainty, leaving the entire world watching very closely what could happen next.